Installing First's water-resistant semi-internal cable routing headset into a carbon EMTB frame. This carbon EMTB frame is from Carbotech, a high-end alloy and carbon frame maker that many big brands have relied on over the years. A green or grey fork would have been a better colour match, but this red one has the right spec, so it will do for the demo. Cutouts in the rubber seal fit around the brake and derailleur housings as they enter the dust cap, preventing water and mud tracking along the housing down into the seal bearing. The brake cable housings are on the outside, with the derailleur cable housings in the middle. A tight seal around the cable housing is achieved by calibrating the openings to be 1mm narrower than the brake cable housing standard diameter of 5mm and derailleur housing of 4mm. So we have two 4mm and two 3mm openings respectively. The upper assembly consists of the compression ring or washer, the seal bearing and the bearings cup. The lower assembly consists of the bearing cup along with the bearing and the crown race. One of the key features of this design is the compression ring's lugs, which lock to the dust cap, keeping them aligned for the cable housings. Making way for the cable housings is done by using an awl to press out the blanks. A standard install for the crown race. The first thing to do is install the bearing cups, which allows you to seat the bearings. You would normally use a headset press tool to install the bearing cups into the head tube, but the cups are far too wide, so it's a matter of tapping them in with a rubber mallet. I'll loosely tighten the stem bolt to prevent the fork from dropping out, otherwise I'd have to use another 8 spacers, expander and top cap to hold it all together. I'll use green for the brake cable housing and yellow for the derailleur housing. Do the same for the other side to complete the assembly.